Hi, it's Steve from PartSelect. Today we're going to show you how to change the lamp on your dryer. It's a pretty easy job, as you might expect. Let me show you how we do it. Now, the first step in this repair should be to disconnect the power to the appliance. If your dryer has a cord on it, simply remove it from the receptacle. If it's hardwired, find the breaker and turn it off. To change the interior lamp in this dryer, it's located just about dead center at the top. If the bulb is simply burned out, it's a matter of unscrewing the bulb and replacing it. It's a relatively small base, so it's going to take about 3 to 4 full turns to get it out. If the lamp is broken in that the glass is broken off of the bulb, we'll have to fabricate a little tool to get the base out. Now the bulb goes in at an angle about such. So when you put your replacement bulb in, you can't screw it straight up or straight in. It has to be at about roughly a 45-degree angle. And again, if the bulb that you're replacing, if the glass is broken off of it, I would suggest you take a large pencil and wrap it with some duct tape on the very bottom so that you can jam it into the socket of the bulb and unthread it that way. Replace it, keeping it at the angle, and you should get 3 or 4 full turns. If you don't, you've probably got it in, cross-thread it, and it won't work. There. Plug the dryer back in, open the door, and the lamp should come on. And the repair is complete. Told you it was an easy job. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your repair.